Are you ready to take your gardening skills to the next level? Hydroponic gardening may sound complex, but with the right setup, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to set up a basic hydroponic system so you can grow your favorite plants without soil. 1. Choose a hydroponic system type that suits your needs. 2. Select the appropriate grow medium for your plants. 3. Set up a nutrient solution using hydroponic nutrients. 4. Adjust the pH level of the nutrient solution. 5. Install a water pump and air stone to provide oxygen and circulation. 6. Place your plants in net pots and insert them into the grow medium. 7. Fill the hydroponic system with the nutrient solution. 8. Turn on the water pump and air stone. 9. Monitor the nutrient solution levels and adjust as necessary. 10. Enjoy your hydroponic garden. Congratulations, you're now a hydroponic gardener. With your new system in place, you'll be able to grow plants faster and more efficiently than ever before. Get ready to enjoy fresh and healthy produce right from your home. Happy gardening!